It is not a secret anymore that the OnePlus 8T is launching pretty soon. The launch date is not yet known, but OnePlus may launch it by the end of this month or in the first week of next month. So far we have got a few leaks of the device, but today the full design of OnePlus 8T was revealed by the CAD-based renders of it, and also we got to know the specifications of the phone. So after this new leak, the only thing that is left to know is the price. Speaking of the design first, the OnePlus 8T has a flat screen, unlike the curved screen on the OnePlus 8. The punch hole cutout for the selfie camera is at the same location, that is on the top left. The biggest design change is on the back, where there is a new design for the camera setup. We saw the same thing last year with the OnePlus 7T that had a different circular design for the camera setup as compared to the design of OnePlus 7. Now while the camera setup design of the OnePlus 7T was unique, the one on the OnePlus 8T is not. The design is very similar to what we have seen on almost every other phone launched this year, whether it is a budget phone or a flagship. So there is a rectangular camera module on the top left, and it includes the quad camera setup and the LED flash. That's all about the design. So now coming to the specifications of the OnePlus 8T, it has a 6.55-inch AMOLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. This means while the display size and the resolution remains the same, the refresh rate is higher compared to the display on the OnePlus 8. There is the Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset powering this phone, and the storage options are 8GB plus 128GB and 12GB plus 256GB. The quad camera setup on the back includes a primary 48 megapixel sensor, a secondary 16 megapixel ultra-wide camera, a third 5 megapixel macro camera, and a fourth 2 megapixel depth sensor. So despite having one extra camera compared to the OnePlus 8, the company went for a 2 megapixel depth sensor instead of going for a telephoto camera. We also know that the primary 48 megapixel sensor is not the same sensor as the one found on the OnePlus 8. So it might be the Sony IMX689 sensor found on the OnePlus 8 Pro. Another camera upgrade is that the selfie camera is now 32 megapixel compared to the 16 megapixel camera on the OnePlus 8. Finally, the OnePlus 8T has a 4500 mAh battery and 65 watt fast charging support, which is surely a massive upgrade over the 30 watt charging of the OnePlus 8. Also, the OnePlus 8T is coming with Android 11 based Oxygen OS 11. Well, that is all about the OnePlus 8T, its design and its specifications. So what do you think the price of OnePlus 8T should be? Do let me know via the comment section below. As always, I'll catch you in the next one.